Grab your shaker. Today we are making a Reposado Margarita. It's just like a regular margarita, except it's smoother, it's older, it gives better advice, just like me, Bill, the Drunken Sailor. Today we are going to show you how to make the Reposado Rustler. Let's get pouring. As you see, we're making this in a shaker, and we've got a couple different ingredients in here. Our first ingredient we're putting in there, and our sweetener in this margarita, is maple syrup, and we are going to use 1/2 of an ounce. Now I'm putting the maple syrup in there first because it's the thickest ingredient, and this will help get rinsed out as we put the other ingredients in there. We're going to follow that up with 1/2 an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're using fresh, you've heard it here, fresh is best. We're going to next go with 2 ounces of apple cider. I've already pre-measured that. And if you can use fresh apple cider, that's the best. That's going to give you the best flavor to it. We're going to follow that up with 1 ounce of orange liqueur. Today I'm using citronage. Love the sound of a cork popping. And we're going to use 1 ounce. And after all of that, we finally got the maple syrup rinsed out of our jigger. Last ingredient going into that shaker is going to be our Reposado tequila. Now we say it's aged, so Reposado is Blanco tequila that's put in an oak barrel and it's aged anywhere between 2 months and a year. Gotta love that sound. And this is Sammy Hagar's tequila. 2 full ounces. Now, that is everything that needs to go in that shaker except the ice, because we're gonna ice this up and chill it down. As you can see, we've got condensation on the side of that tin. That tells us that we've got it cold enough. We're almost ready to pour, but what we want to do is get our garnish ready. Because we're using an apple flavored cider in there, we're going to use an apple for garnish on there. We're going to cut the apple in half. And then we're going to cut it sideways. And we're going to give it about 3 or 4 slices in there. One more. This is the easiest way that I've found to do an apple garnish. Once that skewer is in there, you can simply fan out your pieces of apple and you got a very attractive garnish. Easy and simple. We now are going to take our glass. We're using a rocks glass. We're going to fill that up with ice. And now we simply strain and pour. We're going to lay our apples on top. Add 1 more stick of cinnamon in there. And there we have the Reposado Rustler. Got to get the knife out of the way. Don't want to hurt myself. That is so smooth. You've got that delicious tequila in there. You've got the cider. That maple brings in a little bit of sweetness in there. And of course the orange. It's a regular margarita, except better.